In CI/CD workflows, you want to be able to store files somewhere. That's what artifacts are for. You can manage data within workflows, transfer it between jobs, and archive project deliverables. Now, we allow you to do that on a per job, workflow, or project level. So let's see it in action. Really super simple workflow over here that basically just pushes a logs directory on a per job level. So this is the command over here. And it also pushes the final app deliverable on a per workflow level as well. Now, the second part of this job, what it does is it pushes the final deliverable on a project level to the artifact storage. And as you can see, it's really super easy to use this command. So you only need to specify whether it's a pull, which basically retrieves files, or it's a push. It pushes files into the artifact repository. Now, let's see how this works like when we trigger our workflow. This is a workflow that has already been triggered, and we will view how it looks like once the artifacts are stored. Now, on a per workflow level, you can just go into the artifacts tab over here. Once you open it, you can see that these are the files that are stored on a per workflow level. So if you want, you can also go and view the files on a per job level. For instance, this build app over here stores my logs. And if we jump inside and click on the artifacts tab, you can see that I have the logs folder over here, and I can easily open it up and check all the artifacts that are stored here. Of course, you also have artifacts on a per project level. So these are usually used to store the final deliverables, while the job artifacts are used to, for instance, store logs. Now, on a per project level, you just go inside your project and click on the artifacts tab, and here you have basically the final deliverable. Now, one thing you can also do is configure the retention policy. So let's have a look at that. Now, to configure the retention policy, you just need to click on configure retention policy, and you can basically configure this on a per project level, per workflow level, or per job level. Now, usually the things that you want to clear are on a per job level. So for instance, in my case, I have logs which are stored on a per job level, and I want to clear these after 1 month. So usually when you merge your changes into the master branch, you don't want to store all of the artifacts on a per job level that were done months ago. With these policies, you can save up space and clear storage for future use. As you can see, it's super easy to use artifacts in semaphore workflows by using the artifact command, and you can also easily specify the retention policy. So make sure you try this feature out, and if you haven't, sign up and try semaphore out.